In this video I'm going to show you how to roll over a 401k to Charles Schwab. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. If you go to their website, you'll see that if you decide a 401k rollover is right for you, they are available to help you through the process. You can call a rollover consultant at the phone number provided on their page. You can either do that, or if you scroll down on their website, you'll see additional options such as calling them directly, using the chat feature on schwab.com, or even visiting a nearby branch in person. Personally, you can also use their branch locator tool to find the closest location to you. On the website, you can also review the advantages and disadvantages of rolling over your account, and there are several different ways to complete the rollover depending on your situation. If you are planning to do this, it's generally recommended not to handle everything on your own. Instead, you should contact a rollover consultant or visit a branch so you can get proper guidance. You can reach them by phone, speak with them in person, or use their online support options such as chat or email. They will walk you through the process and make sure everything is done correctly based on your needs. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.